Hello all, Namaste. As MyGov completes 3 years of participatory governance, we have some surprises in store for all of you. MyGov से आप 3 साल से जुड़े रहे हैं, contribute किए हैं अपने ideas अपने. Let's meet some people who have been with you in this journey.
Long list of the activities are there. So you have discussions, you have contests, you have quizzes, polls, surveys, talks, innovate contests, blogs, infographics.
A great public participation tool, something which is unique in the world.
And connect with the citizens.
Citizen engagement platform.
ये citizens के लिए open platform है.
Participate.
Please be there.
Coordinating with different ministries and states. 20 years from now, 30 years from now, Mann Ki Baat will be recognized as one of the most important initiatives of this government.
Getting different opinion and suggestion from the citizens.
Powerful medium to connect with the citizens.
Engagement. From the great nation to the greatest nation.
Once in a generation opportunity for people like us to transform the country.
There's only one thing which comes in my mind.
PM.
And that is Modi ji.
The most difficult task we ever actually completed. We enjoyed it.
A lot of content.
Creative and fun to do.
And newsletters. Always happening.
Approval.
I get to learn a lot.
New ideas.
Easy and
Creative.
much creative.
एक प्लेटफॉर्म टू इंक्लूड सिटीजंस यूनिक प्लेटफॉर्म है.
Anybody can just come into the portal and give their inputs or give their creative thinking to the government.
The Prime Minister coming to the Indira Gandhi Stadium for the first ever town hall.
I think
Interacting with citizens.
PM Town Hall.
टाउन हॉल.
staying in the office till 4 in the morning on my birthday.
बेस्ट मेमोरी वाज
Yeah, fun every day.
when the concept of MyGov was introduced.
Celebrating 2 years of MyGov with CEO MyGov, wherein he invited the entire team to cut that cake.
The best thing about the MyGov is this the most innovative platform.
The best memory is the Mann Ki Baat.
Man Ki Baat.
As the old saying goes, go forth and prosper. So here I would say, come here and prosper. Participate with us and let's all make India great.
First of all, they should enroll more on MyGov. MyGov can help them learn about policies. They can become participants in that policy. They can become the drafters of those policies. And using MyGov, they can make friends as well on their common interests. So in a nutshell, enroll.
MyGov is playing very crucial roles for the common people to share their ideas with our government, and I believe everyone should grab this opportunity.
Come back, participate, win lot of prizes, have fun.
It's a good platform for citizens who are active in public policies.
Come log in and give your submissions, give your suggestions. MyGov एक बहुत अच्छा platform है.
रूरल के लोगों को भी इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करना बहुत जरूरी है.
जो हम सुझाव या शिकायत कुछ भी करते हैं तो उसका आज के दिन में पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है कि ये नागरिक की बात को कैसे हम अच्छे तरीके से ले और उसको देश के अच्छे कामों के लिए लागू करें.
Come engage with MyGov and contribute constructively.
People are getting involved as well as the government. The people will get benefit. They will enroll into MyGov different programs. We can have a healthy interaction.
Makes me feel old sometimes. All of them are much younger than I am. But it also gives me a lot of energy because I don't like to stay behind. So I have to catch up with whatever energy that they have.
The kind of passion that they have and the extremely odd hours that they work.
Lovable and affectionate.
Now it's getting bigger.
आप सभी ने देखा अभी तक का MyGov का सफर. साथ देने के लिए आप सभी का बहुत धन्यवाद. You all have been a part of this incredible journey and we thank you wholeheartedly. We look forward to your participation at mygov.in, transformingindia.mygov.in, innovate.mygov.in, swachbharat.mygov.in, whiz.mygov.in and blog.mygov.in. Last but not the least, you can send in your messages for PM Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat at 1800117800. Also, you can give a missed call at 1922 and listen to the broadcast in different languages. Thank you and namaste.